18 simple psychological tricks that actually work. These are fascinating techniques that can help you understand human behavior better and improve various aspects of your life. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. The power of body language. Our first psychological trick is all about body language. Did you know that your body language can convey confidence and influence how others perceive you? Try standing up straight, making eye contact, and offering a firm handshake. These subtle cues can make a big difference in how others see you. 2. The Zagarnik Effect. Next up, we have the Zagarnik Effect. It's the tendency for people to remember uncompleted tasks better than completed ones. So, if you want someone to remember what you're saying, start with an intriguing story or question and then provide the answer later. 3. The Benjamin Franklin Effect. The Benjamin Franklin Effect is our third trick. It's about asking someone for a small favor. When people do a favor for you, they tend to like you more because they've invested time and effort in you. 4. Mirroring. Mirroring is another powerful technique. People like those who are similar to them. Try mirroring someone's gestures, tone, or pace of speech, and you'll find it easier to build rapport. 5. The Decoy Effect. Now, let's talk about the Decoy Effect. It's all about presenting a third option to make a particular choice seem more appealing. In marketing or decision-making, this can be a game changer. 6. The Halo Effect. Our next trick is the halo effect. This is when we judge someone's overall character based on a single positive trait. So, if you want to make a good impression, focus on highlighting one of your best qualities. 7. Priming. Priming is a psychological phenomenon where exposure to one stimulus influences a person's response to a subsequent stimulus. For example, showing positive images before an interview can put you in a more optimistic mindset. 8. The power of names. Names hold incredible power. Remembering and using someone's name in a conversation can make them feel valued and respected. It's a simple yet effective trick for building connections. 9. The 5-second rule. The 5-second rule is not just about food. It's also a trick to combat hesitation. If you want to do something but feel hesitant, count down from 5 and take action. It's a fantastic way to overcome procrastination. 10. Anchoring. Anchoring is a cognitive bias where people rely too heavily on the first piece of information they receive when making decisions. When negotiating, be the first to throw out a number to anchor the discussion in your favor. 11. Reciprocity. Reciprocity is a social rule where people feel obligated to give back when they receive. Use this trick by offering something small first, and others are more likely to reciprocate. 12. Scarcity Principle. The scarcity principle is about creating a sense of urgency or exclusivity. Limited time offers or limited quantity items can tap into this psychological trick to boost sales and interest. 13. Social proof. People tend to follow the crowd, and that's where the social proof trick comes into play. Highlight reviews, testimonials, or the popularity of your product or idea to influence others. 14. The Pygmalion Effect. The Pygmalion Effect is all about setting high expectations. When you believe in someone's potential, they often rise to meet those expectations. Use this trick to motivate and inspire those around you. 15. Loss aversion. Loss aversion is the tendency to prefer avoiding losses over acquiring equivalent gains. When pitching an idea, focus on what someone might lose by not taking action. It's a powerful motivator. 16. Contrast Principle. The contrast principle is about making something seem better or worse by comparing it to something else. Use this trick to make your product or offer stand out by presenting it alongside less favorable alternatives. 17. The 7% Rule. Did you know that only 7% of communication is verbal, while the rest is nonverbal? This highlights the importance of tone, body language, and facial expressions in effective communication. 18. The power of gratitude. Lastly, let's talk about the power of gratitude. Expressing appreciation can strengthen relationships and create a positive atmosphere. It's a simple yet incredibly effective psychological trick. So there you have it, 18 simple psychological tricks that actually work. These techniques can enhance your personal and professional life, but remember to use them ethically and responsibly. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.